Do you think that Apple could develop a search engine like Google that would make them the most relevant company on earth? That is, until they realize it's just too hard. The Apple claim that they can't make their own search engine is getting under my skin. This is the question I've asked myself many times, so I just googled it and see what Google thinks about Apple making its own search engine of all places. Apple tried to make its own search engine in 2006 with the purchase of UK-based Quill, but it failed miserably because Apple made one fatal mistake. They didn't understand its own business model, which was content creation. Another reason why Apple exited this game is because they already had an agreement with Google to use their search engine in exchange for keeping Android off iPhone. There are countless articles out there about how much everyone hates Apple's hardware but absolutely loves their iOS software, even though both were created by Apple engineers, and that was exactly what made Google so successful and allowed them to buy an apple for lunch. And if you think about it, Google's business model is also the end for all other search engines. It's very simple. How do you get people to come back to your site and use your services? By creating content. And that is exactly what Google did with its search engine and few other properties. Then Google came along and killed them all with a single search engine, a death blow. If Apple had made its own search engine in 2006, they would have had no reason to exit, except perhaps for not getting a hefty kickback from Google, which is still part of their disagreement today when Android phones are trying hard to eat into Apple's market share. But sadly, if Apple were to make its own search engine today, it would ironically have to bring back Quill. Sad, because the Quill that Apple bought is dead now and you can't even download their software. Which leads me to ask, who the hell are going to use a search engine when we already have Google? But the question is, why a search engine? If Apple wanted to build a search engine, they would have done so years ago. They would have spent hundreds of millions to roll their own during the time when Google refused to build turn-by-turn directions into iOS maps when they were getting ready to be released in Android. I think they put their efforts into maps because they were very cognizant of the hundreds of millions of dollars disaster that was Yahoo's search engine, which was much anticipated to be the Google killer turned out to be. For several years, Google has an agreement with Apple where it pays billions of dollars to Apple to remain the default search engine on Safari for iOS, iPad, and macOS. This deal ensures that iPhone, iPad, and Mac users search with Google while using Safari unless they manually change the default search engine in Safari's preferences. However, the deal between Apple and Google might be coming to an end soon. In July 2020, Reuters reported that the UK Competition and Markets Authority was taking aim at the deal. Recent media reports suggest Apple is going to make some major changes soon, which may also include a search engine. The main reason for this could be because of the deal fallout between Apple and Google. An Apple search engine will function as highly personalized data hub. It will be similar to Google Assistant on Android, but different since it initially won't have ads, initially being the keyword, will be completely private and have significantly deeper integration with the OS. Apple's search engine will likely integrate with Siri, Maps, the App Store, and the Photos apps, since iOS 13 includes a built-in system-wide privacy settings to stop apps from sharing user data without permission. Apple could even integrate its search engine into other ways to get information on an iPhone or iPad. It would be able to run natural language searches like 5 apples per day, which would return articles from health sites that recommend eating at least 5 servings of fruits or vegetables every day, as well as ordering groceries from Fundrea. You can bet that certain facts won't just appear in text form, but by providing visualizations of for specific topics, like traffic patterns on maps and chart of stocks price. The search engine could even become a hub for common tasks like syncing data between apps and cloud. Apple launched its own news app in iOS 9, but it hasn't gained much traction against Google News or Apple News. A standalone web browser was an idea that surfaced at WWDC 2018, but that has also hit a dead end. Will Apple Search dominate SEO? One of the main reasons to think Apple will roll out an in-house search engine is because of how easy it would be for them to rank highly in Google. That's because the company has a huge content per platform on their other services, the App Store, iTunes, and the iBook Store. Just imagine what kind of changes this will do with SEO strategies if Apple rolls out on its own search engine. It will be potentially devastating to small businesses that are trying to still use free social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook as primary search engines. It'll also shift all the organic traffic / rankings over to Apple Search instead. So whatever you're trying to get your site ranked higher on now might not be working in a few months if Apple is successful. Overall, the biggest winners of the new SEO will be the end users, who will now be able to easily search and discover to the best web and app content in the right place at the right time. So we can't really complain. Hope you find this video in the organic traffic in any search engine. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, hit a like button and comment. I will meet you in the next video.